Today, I'll show you how to receive a global money transfer with CIBC. If you're expecting funds from abroad, it's important to ensure a smooth transaction, and I'm here to guide you through the process step by step. To begin with, you'll need to provide the person sending you money with your correct banking details. This is a crucial step because any errors here could lead to delays or even failed transactions. So, what exactly do you need to give them? First, provide your full name as it appears on your CIBC account. Accuracy is key here, so double-check the spelling to avoid any hiccups. Next, you'll need your CIBC account number. This is the unique number associated with your bank account, and it's essential for directing the funds to the right place. In addition to your account number, you'll also need to give them your transit number and institution number. These numbers are specific to your bank branch and CIBC as a whole. They ensure that the money is routed correctly within the bank's system. You can usually find these numbers on your bank statements or through your online banking portal. If the money is coming from outside Canada, there's an additional piece of information you might need to provide: CIBC's SWIFT or BIC code. This code is a standardized international format that banks use to identify each other during transactions, ensuring that the transfer is completed efficiently and securely. Make sure to confirm whether this code is necessary with the sender, as it often is for international transfers. Once you've provided all the required details, the sender can process the transfer. Once processed, the funds will be deposited directly into your CIBC account. It's a straightforward process, but remember that the exact timing can vary. Typically, the processing time for receiving a global money transfer ranges from 1 to 3 business days. This duration can depend on several factors, including the sending bank's policies and the country the money is coming from. It's always a good idea to check with your sender about their bank's specific processing times, and that's how you receive a global money transfer with CIBC. With these steps, you'll be well on your way to receiving your funds without a hitch. Just remember, clear communication with the sender and attention to detail with your banking information will make all the difference. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more practical tips on managing your finances. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.